Hey, welcome back to Goofy Guns and Fun. Mr. Goofy here. We're about to go hit the gun range, but before that, I need y'all to go like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you're not. Today, we're about to go take the Glock 22 out. Everything is clear. Safety check for y'all. We're gonna take out brand new 31 mag finally. I've been busy working, so we're gonna take the 31 mag out. Now I got the two 15 round mags up here in the cabinet, so y'all know. 215. So let's get to it. Hope y'all enjoy it. So as you can see, I think I know what I have to do to this extended magazine of mine. Same thing I did to my Taurus, the Pro Mag. Just put another spring inside of it. You might lose a couple shots, but it'll feed it perfect now. But overall, I love my Glock. I'm gonna fix this extended mag. I know what to do with it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all got your output. I didn't like how it didn't feed. Failed me a couple times. But on the next video, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna fix it. But I hope you liked it. I'm working on my shooting. But please, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe to the Goofy Guns and Fun channel. It's just gonna help me out and help y'all out with better quality. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.